Right, so the best way to add a PDF into Canva and to make it a usable, editable document that you can then transform into any design that you require. This is a really good thing to do, and it is possible in Canva. Now, the old version of Canva, but to do this, they have actually moved the upload, which was on the creator design tab here. You would click on that, a menu would appear down here, and it would come up at the bottom. Now, you don't do that anymore with the new Canva. You've got creative design here. If you click on this, it will just open up lots of different template options. It is over here on this main bar here. You've got custom size, where you can create your own template size. If you've got a particular size from a printer, a banner, for example, you can create your own custom size, or you can upload a design into Canva. And this is where we upload a PDF. Okay, so start from a file. That's what we want to do. I'm going to click choose files, and it's opened up everything on my computer, and I'm going to go for this one here, which is the Canva top 10 tips that I use for creating or use for when I do trainings into networking groups. So now it's importing my file. You saw the little icon that came up here. I'm going to close this, and it has added it in under my recent designs. So I'm going to open this now. This was a PDF document. It was a simple PDF. I couldn't edit it in any way while it was on my computer, but I've now uploaded it as a PDF into Canva using the upload doc section, and it has transformed it into individual text boxes that I can now edit myself. I can now edit these boxes, I can move them around, I can add some images, I can add elements, I can make this look a lot better than it was before when it was just a plain PDF. And once I'm done, I can re-download this as a PDF. So I've gone to share, click download, and if I change the file type here to PDF, if you've got Pro, you can change RGB to CMYK for professional printing. If you haven't, you just have this RGB for digital use, but it is absolutely fine. You don't necessarily need CMYK unless you're professionally printing. And then I'll click download, and it will download it as a PDF document onto my desktop. Now, that's really as simple as it is. It's just making sure that on the home menu, you use this option here, upload to add media, choose your file, then it will upload it for you into Canva as a usable working document that you can now edit any part of it, add in your elements and do what you need to do. And then you can download it again using the share, download, and then change this to PDF print. You can now download this again as a PDF to use. That's it. That is as simple as it is to upload a PDF into Canva, to edit it and then re-download it again as a usable PDF document.